Hey guys, it's me Nathan here. So in this video, I only have like one pack actually. It's X1 Steam Seige. It's an old one, 2016. So I actually haven't showed this pack in a long time. It's been like a long time. Haven't done Pokémon Cards opening. Haven't opened any packs for like many months. So show what pack is inside. Okay, so the pack inside looks like the same. Volcano, and both are the same thing. What took the pack out of that is these both are the same actually. Let's open it. White code. This is more likely good, hopefully. Try and focus. I'm trying to get more zoom in. It actually is a little bit on focus. There. Claim. Special Charge. Neurino. Sneasel. Litleo. Nose Pass. Chimchar. The gear with their mouth. Reverse Hollow. What is it? Common Reverse Joltek for a reason. And oh, we got something. The Garver EX. Got a Garver EX. This is ultra rare. The good thing is this is a white code, but I got something actually good. Garver EX. Need to put the light torch actually on. So this is ultra rare. I don't have this ever, so this is new for me. I don't have this in my collection ever. So there you go. I only have one pack. Some other time I should get Pokémon Cards from Walmart, but this pack's from I got this pack from a friend of mine that had it, so he gave me it. Like a friend of mine did. So I got ultra rare. So that's it. I'm gonna go. Bye.